So good night. It's actually the next day. I haven't done anything all day. Like I said yesterday, I feel like I tweaked my back at the gym. I was doing some deadlifts and I wasn't even doing them heavy, and I feel like I tweaked my back. My belt wasn't tight enough, or I wasn't bracing my core properly. So I feel like this is the second time this has happened to me, so I know it's one out of the two things. So yeah, I haven't done anything all day. I've literally just been resting. Babe let me sleep all day and I'm just chilling at home. I'm actually making a cup of tea, but this, I also got this Tom Ford sunglasses. I unboxed it on camera. If I can find a clip, I'll insert it in here. But I got this from Saks Off Fifth, and this was, let me see if the price is in here. No, it doesn't say the price, but this is my first luxury accessory item. So yeah, it comes in a box like this. I'm gonna save the box that it comes in, and you can, if you guys can see, you can see the Tom Ford logo. And this is, let's see, it comes with the authentication cards, polishing cotton, all that. And this is it right here. Oh, your girl have a lot of brown in her wardrobe, and when I saw this colorway, I thought it was really beautiful. It looks, inside of the lens look blue, and then sometimes it looks black, and then you have this print. I don't even know what to call this print, but it's kind of black and brown, and it has gold hardware. My go-to sunglasses is from Desi. It's all black sunglasses. So let me see if I can find it. So let's see, let me show you guys. My go-to sunglasses is this, and this is from Desi. This is Backtrack, and this is from Desi Perkins here on YouTube. She has a sunglass eyewear company, and this is my go-to everyday sunglasses. It's black. It has silver hardware on it, which I like a lot. It's a nice sturdy. It's worth the money. Okay, I also seen a Lorve glass, which I really want, but it's sold out. And I seen this one from Tom Ford. I think this was like $300 or $400, and it was on Saks Off Fifth for $170 or $150 or something like that. And then I got an extra 15% off, so your girl got it on a steal, and I just love the colorway. And now, since it is off season, all like summer accessories like sunglasses and stuff are going on sale, and I'm here for it because I feel like now is when I'm gonna tap into like luxury accessories. Now that I know where all the girlies are getting the luxury things for less, like Saks Off Fifth, Nordstrom Rack, Sense have an amazing sale going on. They have an amazing sale on a lot of things on Sense right now. So yeah, I got these and I love them, and I normally wear my glasses a little bit down on my nose like this, and this is 61 or 60 mm, and I like it a lot. Your girl is getting into luxury accessories, and because I live in Florida, I feel like I'm gonna get my money's worth out of these sunglasses because baby, the sun is always shining in Florida, okay? And if I go to Jamaica also, I'll have my sunglasses. So that's that for my sunglasses. I'm gonna grab my tea and then I'm gonna come back and try on these clothes from maniedevoir. Oh, it's hot. It needs to be cooled down. I also need to go in my closet. Anyways, first things first, I only have one skirt. And let me push you guys out a little bit further. I think I'm gonna have to adjust the lighting in here, but that's fine. I'm gonna switch this to yellow. This is the skirt that I got. I got this in a 12. What size is this? I got this in a 12, I think. Yeah, I think so. So this is, let me close this door. This is how the skirt looks. I love that it's maxi. It is perfect for my type of lifestyle. I feel like this can be dressed up, dressed down. You can take it from business casual to sexy, whatever you want to do. But please note, if your hips are anything wider than a 45, baby, this ain't gonna fit. And because I'm planning on losing a little bit of weight, I don't mind, but this is for the girls that don't have any curves, because this don't have any stretch at all. I feel like these are super long. These are super long, but I do not mind. I don't mind taking these to my seamstress and getting them hemmed to perfection, where I can wear flat slippers with it or I can wear heels with it, and it's gonna look great. This is in a US 12, and I'm glad I got it in a 12, because your girl ass to thigh ratio is something not to be played with. My thighs are hella thick, okay? The thighs definitely match the butt, okay? So these are a little bit close to the thigh area. The thigh area is a bit close, but it's comfortable enough where I don't feel like I need to send it back. So if you're my measurements, which is anywhere from a 33, 35, 36 waist, depending on the time of month, and a 45 hips, 38 bust, the bust is D's, then a size 12 US is going to be perfect for you. I absolutely love the waistband. So even if I'm on my period and I don't feel like getting dressed, the waist is still going to look snatched, but I won't be dying because the waistband is nice and comfy. But where the waistband meets the pants, the zip have a tendency to be hard to go down. So yeah, they need to invest in some better zippers. I have some pants like this from Shein. I will say the quality is not as good as these right here, but I've worn out those pants from Shein for like 2 years now, which is why when I seen these, I was like, I have to get them because I know they're going to be great quality. I know I'm gonna get my money's worth out of it because I'm going to wear them. And I was right. I got these in a 10. I definitely could have gotten these in a 8. It comes with drawstring. You can snatch your waist in. It also has a cutout at the leg which I like. These are also super long. So if you're a tall girly and you're worried about Madame Devoir or Maniedevoir clothes not being long enough for you, you're going to be fine. So yeah, this is the last item. I will definitely say this have a lot of stretch. The body is bodying. Let me see my butt. My butt looks good. I will say that this item have a lot of stretch, so you can go down 1 or 2 sizes depending on how you like your clothing items to fit. On an everyday tip, this is my vibe. The only thing, I will put on a way better top, some sandals, and I'm going about my business. But this is how it looks. I love it. And do I have every single color in my cart ready to check out already of this and the gray version of the other pants? Yes, I do. And I'm not mad. I'm not sad about it. And I'm gonna get them. They have a white one and they have a blue one, and they have the gray version to the black one that I just tried on, and I have all 3 of them in my cart. I'm about to check them out. Yeah, absolutely love. As you guys can see, I bought a lot of black things because, like I said, I'm building a capsule wardrobe and I want things that is comfortable. I find that of late I love me a good pair of pants that's comfortable, and I put on a nice asymmetrical top, show a little bit of clavicle, a nice necklace, some nice earrings, have my hair up like this, and I feel my bestest self. So I've been investing in pieces that I know I'm going to wear consistently. Nothing that's trendy, nothing that's seasonal. Things that I know I'm gonna get wear out of spring, summer, winter, fall, any time of year. And these pants are my vibe. And as you guys can see, my new mom bag right there from Telfar is black. So everything that I've been buying has been going with that aesthetic. I want to go into my closet and know that whatever I pick up, it's going to look good and I'm going to be comfortable. That's my main prerogative now, because your girl, if it's coming on to like stepping out, going to the club, going to the movies, just stepping out period, your girl got that on lock. But clothes to actually go to run errands and stuff, I don't have any of that. I'm either all the way dressed up or I look like a complete bum. There's no in between. And now I'm just like, if I'm going outside, I'm going to look the best version of me no matter what I'm doing. If I'm running to the grocery store, if I'm whatever errands I'm doing, before I walk out the house, I always ask myself, is this how my best self would go outside? And if it's not, you're gonna have to wait till I get ready, baby, because I'm not stepping outside unless I look put together. So that's what I've been working on. I no longer want to have a bum or all the way dressed up. I want to have a in between where I look put together and presentable all the time. So yeah. And not only put together and presentable going outside, I'm also investing in at-home pieces now, which I never used to do. And yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna put this stuff away. I also need to organize my closet until I get that corner shelf, so I'm gonna do that and I'm probably gonna give babe a massage. My back is hurting me, but I know he's been going through a lot because he completely stopped drinking, he completely stopped smoking. We have eliminated a lot of sugar out of diet. We have eliminated a lot of salt out of diet. Both of our bodies are going through shock. So yeah, I think I'm gonna set up and give him a massage when he comes home. So I'll see y'all later. So we're supposed to be taking the bus today as a little adventure. Help us both. We don't even know if we're at the right bus stop. This is hilarious. We're on the bus, mommy. We're on the bus. And there. So we finally made it on the bus after we had to wait 20 minutes. We were standing at the wrong bus stop.
Yeah, and normally people sleep on the.
That's right. They don't want to try. So we just got back home. We took the bus today. And we had to Uber home, darling. We missed the bus. This is how you know that we don't take bus on a regular basis. We missed our bus to leave and come back home. You know when you take the bus all the time, you know the schedule. You know the time you have, you know your limits. Just come see. Don't take bus all the time. We saw the bus while we were coming out the mall. Didn't think it was our bus, but it was actually our bus. Our tickets that we had expired at 1:43. So even if we were gonna go on the bus again, we'd have to get complete. We have to pay another $10.50. We didn't have that much cash because we don't walk around with cash on us. So I had to call an Uber. We got an Uber. And the Uber that we got was the car that babe wanted to get. And now that all of us were packed up in it, I'm glad he didn't get that car because it would have not been it at all. That couldn't fit us. That's our day in a nutshell. Our little adventure of taking the bus. I haven't taken the bus in a good decade. Yeah, since I was going to college. Yeah, a decade. So we took the bus for fun. Now we have to figure out what's for dinner. See ya later. So Clean Skin Club is losing their mind, and the towelettes are now almost $20. So I got this brand from Amazon. I'm gonna try them tonight and see if I like them. I'll let you guys know. So this is a Clean Skin Club that I cut in half, and this is the new one. I will say the Clean Skin Club one feels a little bit softer to the touch. To me, a little bit. Yep, a little bit softer. But once I try them, I'm going to tell you guys how I like them. I put half here, which is 25, and half is still in the box. It comes in a 50 and it's XL, and I pay a good 8 something for it. Clean Skin Club is $17 now, so I half the price. For all the girls that are frugal, this is going to be a great alternative. I also got these because I needed some of these. They come in a pack of 3. I just tried them on.
No up here.
Oh yeah, me forgot about the pear. I said I would show our meals. So this is Monday, meal 1 for the day.
My Zinni's app has lost all his zapping clean, and she can't find my Z anywhere. I need some help. Where's Wish Finder Bumblebee? She's not here. She's in trouble.
I'll be a
What happened?
Oh yeah, Aibo. Thank you. This is meal one. Aki saltfish, banana, yam, one dumpling, and pear. I may go for more food, but that's what it looks like. Yeah, and it may be the only meal for the day. So yeah.
It's time to get your 3 wishes.
I'm ready.
Eating healthy while being Jamaican is a struggle.
Decorate the Christmas tree. I will wake up and then I just decorate the Christmas tree.
You decorate the Christmas tree, mommy?
Well, it was big and tall, but I would like to play. I don't go to Halloween, but Halloween is gone.
Say bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Deuce, peace. So I bought some stuff from Amazon and they said that it's delayed. Anytime it comes onto the holiday, buying stuff on Amazon becomes a pain. So if you're shopping for Christmas, do it this week. Honey, do it this week. Because, baby, it's a mess. This is what you saw the last time you saw this tree, but I added my Grinch arm. My kids were super excited to put this on the tree, so I did it off camera. And I got some Grinch legs. Honey, I thought these legs were gonna be way bigger, but they'll have to do because I'm not playing with Amazon. These already took too long to come. Don't have time for them and their foolishness. So the hand is over here, his legs are over there. I'm actually waiting on the head to come and my Grinch wrapping paper for presents. But anyways, I didn't switch out my tree skirt because I didn't feel like it was necessary. But yeah, I have one last thing to do, and it's this garland, and I'm gonna put it up here. We're not eating a lot of carbs, so even though we're not eating carbs, that doesn't mean our kids don't eat carbs. So I'm making Kai and Malani's dinner. They have this is one of their favorite meals. I gotta drain this pasta off. So I'm gonna finish watching what I'm watching while I hang my ornaments on this raft. Yeah.
So where are you going? Get your rope.
We'll see that. We'll wash it. The hair is from Rihanna's hair. Brenna's hair. Rihanna, this photo crazy. But we'll see. But it's nice and big right now. You can't worry about that. It needs to be not bleached. It needs to be. I think we're going to have that as pretty, but we're going to have to see. Because I know these not going to be. I need to do all that stuff. Once I do that, we'll see where we at there. So. How about the tea? She get money? That's probably up here right now. I need to go upstairs and pack my bag. So that's how it looks. I'm a hot ass mess. I'm a hot mess. I'm going to go do a commentary video, voice it over, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all. So hi guys, it's the next day. So I'm cooking a little bit of something, a little bit of thing. I'm cooking a little bit of something because we ate the same thing that we ate yesterday, because we had the leftovers at 12, and yesterday we didn't eat again because we were full. So we've been only eating once a day, intermittent fasting, because we're starting our New Year's resolution early. It only takes 30 days for you to build a habit, so I would suggest you start your New Year's resolution early. So that's what we're doing. Babe started going to the gym. I'm still going to the gym. Guys, what? So I made curry shrimp and I'm making cabbage. Our diet consists of high protein, low carbs. We still eat carbs, but not as much as we used to. So I took a lot of bread, rice, all that stuff out of our diet. My face is a little bit oily because I've been cleaning baseboards and cleaning the walls. And I'm about to start painting the doors because I'm not going into 2024 with these doors. I don't know who thought it was a great idea when they built this house to put matte white doors in a family home, but your girl is about to paint it over in a gloss. I think it's either a gloss or satin finish, whichever one, but these matte doors have to go because when my kids dirty them up, I can't clean them. Okay, so I've been cleaning the baseboards. I already did the kitchen, the living area, and the walkway to the 2 rooms over there and the bathroom. Now I'm about to do master bedroom and the bathroom, and then I'm probably gonna do the boys' room and the bathroom over there because it's gonna be easier for me to do because those rooms are not as big. I need to find a lid for this part. So once I start cleaning the baseboard, I'll show you guys what I'm doing, a little bit of what I'm doing, and then I'll see y'all in a minute. So your girl is pulling away furniture. As you can see, it's pretty dirty back here. I will say that these are one of the very reasons why I'm never worried about somebody leaving me, because baby, I'll be just fine in my house and chilling. How many women do you know doing this? So your girl is finished for today. I did the kitchen, the living area, master bedroom, master bathroom. I did the boys' room. I did the second bathroom. I didn't do the girls' room yet. The dining area and babe supposedly work area, what's supposed to be his work area, but it's turning into Kai and Milani's play area. I didn't do those 3 yet, so I'll probably do those tomorrow. I'm tired. Yeah, I'm gonna chill and rest, and I'll see y'all later. I think my Amazon package came with the head of my Grinch. So when the kids come, I'll put that up. Until then, deuces. Look at what Amazon sent me. I thought this was going to be a big Grinch. This is what they sent me. I can't believe this mess. But I gotta put it up on the tree.
Mom, is that a grandma's?
It's tiny. I thought it was bigger. Anyways.
Mommy, that's so cute, Mom. The body was so cute.
It's cute. I'm glad you think so. I feel like I waste my money. My $9.99.
You didn't waste your money.
I didn't waste my money.
You didn't. All you did is not waste your money.
Okay, so this is meal number 2, day 2. You have some shrimp and some broccoli. I also have some fish, but I don't want the fish. It's about to be the last day filming. I'm wrapping gifts. He claims he wants to help. He just wanna see what I'm doing, really. Put y'all on the tripod. That's the one that your grandmother got. Why do you think I will be telling you what's inside your Christmas list? Huh? What sense does that make?
Because I know it's what inside of it. There's a box on this. That's what I know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's what I know. Now I'm not able to count them. If there were so many presents under the Christmas tree, it wouldn't even fit. If there was a lot of presents that inside of over here the Christmas tree, if there was a lot of presents over here, then on the Christmas tree wouldn't even have.
I think I unlocked a new gift. Yes. A new talent. You know this rotted Baby, forgive me something. But this is very annoying, really. anyways, this is the last of it. I'm gonna wrap up this week's vlog right here. I think I have it. Look here. I'm gonna wrap this week's video up right here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Deuces.